Worried about a project going over budget? FreshBooks has built-in project budgeting tools that give you a real-time view of your financial progress. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. This feature lets you set a financial target for a project and then track your time and expenses against it, so you always know where you stand. First, create a new project in FreshBooks or edit an existing one. In the project settings, you'll find a field to set the project budget. This can be a fee-based budget or an hours-based budget. As you and your team log time and expenses to the project, FreshBooks will automatically track this against the budget, showing you a visual indicator of how much you've used. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: set budget alerts. You can configure FreshBooks to send you an email notification when the project reaches 75% or 90% of its budget. This gives you an early warning to reassess scope or communicate with the client before you go over. Just like that, you've moved from hoping a project stays on budget to actively managing it. What type of budget do you use more often? A fixed fee, or an hours-based budget? Let me know down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.